My expertise is mostly in the marine environment, so I'm working in oceans, and my specific expertise is micropaleontology and biogeochemistry. So I'm using a group of organisms, microorganisms, called foraminifera, forams in short, and I use them to understand our environment, to reconstruct our environment, to understand, for example, if and how there have been climate changes, and if these climate changes have been connected somehow with methane emissions. And I'm using biogeochemistry, so I'm using isotopes. I measure elements and isotopes in the little shells of these organisms, actually to see variation, trends in the temperature, environment, and methane. I'm interested in oceans, micropaleontology, biogeochemistry, because 70% of our planet is covered by ocean, actually. So there is a lot to study there. There are a lot of information that need to be discovered and also transferred. FERS and other initiatives similar to that are very important. And the reason for that is because you have early career scientists gathering, discussing, sharing, and most of them belongs to or are coming from different disciplines. And I think is exactly that. I mean, putting together different disciplines, different way of approaching science, different way of collecting data. So this is actually the solution, creating the network where scientists can talk. Instead of talking about challenge, I would rather say the word opportunity. So I think that the future has a lot of opportunities. One of the main, in my opinion, is actually co-create knowledge using different disciplines, using different topics. So putting actually different people talking together. What we have not done so far is, or we have done very little, is to discuss, cooperate, collaborate with people outside our own topic. So we very often work in kind of silos. So we should try to really, but in a concrete way, to break the wall of these silos. Different disciplines, different nationalities. And when I'm thinking about ocean, when I'm thinking about the environment, I think that we should listen more to the society, the people that are living in connection to oceans, for example. So this historical knowledge, indigenous. So this knowledge needs to be brought in, actually, if we really want to come up with solutions for changes that we are going to face in the future. So what I hope it will be an opportunity for the young generation is actually this, trying to find a way to talk the same language, which is a language that should really cross barriers, that should cross disciplines, because it is only to find a way of distributing, sharing, co-creating knowledge that we can find solution actually for the big issues, that climate issues that we are facing right now and we will face in the future.